Hi guys, this is LUKEZ back with another video after quite some time. Hopefully I will try to upload more tutorials in the future, but for now let's get into the video. As you can tell from the title, I am going to show you how to merge or split a PDF file using two methods. The first one using an online website called I Love PDF, and the second method is using a program called Simple PDF Merge and Split. Sometimes you have multiple PDF files such as documents, scans, etc. which you want to send in an email as a whole file. Or maybe the other way around. You have a single file with many pages and you only need one page of that file. Well, let's get into it so that I show you how it's done. First, I am going to show you how to merge a PDF file using I Love PDF. Just open your favorite browser, in my case it's Google Chrome, and go on the website ilovepdf.com/merge_pdf. So once the page loads up, you will have this page with this red box and it will tell you to select the PDF files. You can also drop them like this, as I'm going to show you. You can remove them. And you can also click the red box and select them yourself. You can also choose a PDF file from Google Drive and Dropbox. So I'm going to choose the PDF files. I have two business plan files, each containing 9 pages, and I'm going to combine them so that they are a whole business plan PDF file with 18 pages. So I'm going to choose them, part 1 and part 2. Now the files has to be uploaded, and once they are uploaded you can also change which file you want to have first in the final merged PDF file, and so on. So I want business plan part 1 to be first and the business plan part 2 to be second in my case. Once you are ready, just press merge PDF. Once they are merged, it will tell you download merged PDF. You can obviously rename it. I'm going to rename it business plan, and if I open it, I will see that I have the 18 pages merged together in one single PDF. So as you can see, that is very easy to do. So now let's get on to the next part, where I show you how to split a PDF using I Love PDF. Here in the menu of the website itself, you can see split PDF. It is a very similar setup to the merge PDF page. You can either drop the PDF files which you want to split or just select them yourself. I'm going to select the business plan which I have now merged previously in the video. Once it is uploaded, you can choose between splitting by ranges or extract all pages. Splitting by ranges, it means, for example, if you want page 1 to 5, and then you can add a range and go and split from page 9 till page 12. You can also merge all ranges in one PDF file just by ticking this box. So that means that you will have a single file containing pages from 1 to 5 and 9 to 12. If you want the ranges to be split into separate files, just untick that box and press split PDF. Download the PDF split, and you can see you will have a zip file. Just extract the files, and you will see that you will have pages 1 to 5 and 9 to 12. So the other option is I'm going to select the business plan again, is to extract all pages, which means extracting every single page to a separate PDF file. Just press extract all pages and press split PDF and download PDF split. I'm going to delete these so that you can see the result. I'm going to extract to a folder, and you can see I have pages 1 to 18 split into separate files. So that's basically it regarding I Love PDF, which is an online free website and is very good and is very fast, which I highly recommend. So the next step of the video is to show you how to merge and split a PDF file using a program called Simple PDF and Merge. So I'm going to open it, Simple PDF and Merge. I will have a download link in the description. So it's a very simple window. You have Merge PDF and Split PDF. First I'm going to show you how to merge. So just press Merge PDF tab, then drag the files which you want to merge. I'm going to drag again the business plan part 1 and business plan part 2. You can also press add and choose the files yourself. You can change the order of the PDF files which you want, how you want to order them. So I'm going to leave them like this, part 1 and part 2. I'm going to rename the PDF file to business plan -simple, so that we know that it's from Simple PDF and Merge. And I'm going to choose the location, and I'm going to put it in the desktop. And just once you're ready with all the files, just press merge and press OK. A window will pop up with the location of the file. In my case it's the desktop, so I know that it's here. So if I open it, I will have the same thing as last time, a single file with 18 pages. So as you can see, that is very easy to do. So the next part is to show you how to split a PDF using the same program. Just press the tab Split PDF here and you will see the following fields. So the first one is you just select the file that you want to split. In my case it's the business plan, and I have 18 pages. Now there are 3 separate split methods which you can choose. So the first one is that the PDF is split every amount of pages, which means that if you have 1 here, like in this example, every 1 page a PDF file will be created. If you have 2 here, every 2 pages a PDF file is created, and so on and so forth. The second option is to extract an amount of pages from the PDF file, saying, for example, I want only page 1 and pages from 6 to 10. You just write here 1,6-10 and that's it. The third option is the complete opposite of option 2. Instead of extracting pages, you remove the unwanted pages from your file. For example, I don't want the first and last page, so I write 1,18. Then, after choosing your split method, you just write the name of the file which you want, so business plan simple again, and just choose your destination and press split. So I'm going to start with the first one. Every 2 pages I'm going to have a PDF file, so I'm going to split. The confirmation will come, and as you can see now I have 9 PDF files which contain 2 pages each. As you can see, 2 pages, 2 pages, and it goes till page 18. So I'm going to delete those. So the next split method is the one with the ranges. So I'm going to have a PDF file containing page 1 and pages 6 to 10, and I just press split. And as you can see, we have 1 file with all the pages, page 1 and then pages 6 to 10. I'm going to delete this so that I show you the last split method. So now we are going to just remove pages 1 and 18 from the PDF file, and we will see the result without those 2 pages. Just press split, and as you can see, now we have a PDF file without the first page and the last page, with 16 pages, as you can see. So that is it for this video. I hope it helped you with solving some problems regarding PDF files. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.